Hello mga kadonatics, wala na talaga akong masabi ngayon, speechless na ako. Sobra na ang garapalan ng Comelec mga kadonatics. Biruin mo naman, pinanalo pa si Abantot mga kadonatics. What? Di ba talo na yan last time? Well mga kadonatics, ang nangyari, pinadisqualify niya yung nanalo sa 6th District ng Manila. Si Joey Uy ata yun mga kadonatics na sinusuportaan ni Inday Sara Duterte. Ngayon nag-file siya ng disqualification case sa citizenship kuno at in-honor to ni Comelec Garcia. Grabe, sobra na talaga. So, ang nangyari na disqualify, then si Abantot yung pinalit. Isa na naman siyang congressman, mga kadonatics. Grabe talaga, di ba? Sobra ang pamamalupit sa lahat ng mga kaalyado ni Duterte. Yung Duterte Youth Party List, mga kadonatics, ang ginawa nila, kinansela yung registration nila. Ngayon, instead na nanalo mga kadonatics, nasayang yung more than 2 million votes na nakuha nila. So, hindi na sila maka-assume ng office ngayon. I assume mga kadonatics, yung Makabayan Black yung ipapalit dyan. Kasi sila na yung susunod. Pag may ma-disqualify sa taas, sila yung uusad. Ganito ngayon ang nangyayari sa Pilipinas. But I can't get over mga kadonatics na nanalo ulit si Abantot. Makikita na naman natin siya sa Kongreso. Bakit nung nag-file pa ng candidacy mga kadonatics, hindi man na-disqualify for citizenship reason? Bakit ngayon pa nananalo na? Ay ano yung kalaban ni Tamba noon? Ni Tamba Los. Before ang election mga kadonatics, na-disqualify dahil sa citizenship reason also. Pero iba to, nanalo na. Di ba mga kadonatics? Before tanggapin yung registration mo for candidacy, alam mo na yung mga mali at hindi mali. Kaya nga tinanggap kasi okay yung citizenship niya. May isa pa. Ngayon mga kadonatics, before the Comelec will proclaim the winner, ayun na naman. Dapat ikonsidera na naman yung mga issues. Pero wala naproklama na. Ngayon pa na-disqualified na okay na ang lahat. Ang lakas ng amat si Abantot mga kadonatics. Sobra na talaga. Eto, pakinggan natin.
Benny Abante reclaimed his seat as representative of Manila's 6th District after the disqualification of proclaimed winner Joey Uy over citizenship issues. A veteran lawmaker, Abante is known for his firm stance on conservative policies and strong opposition leadership. How will his return shape the political landscape in the capital?
Wala na talaga akong masabi mga kadonatics.
Joining us is the representative of Manila's 6th District, Benny Abante. Good morning, Congressman Benny.
Good morning po. Good morning sa lahat.
Nakakasuka yung tsura ni mga kadonatics. Ay, nako.
Kong Benny, ano po yung reaction ninyo when you learned about the news this morning that Joey Uy has been disqualified by the 2nd Division of Comelec?
Of course, I was very, very happy about that. Para bang nabunutan ako ng tinik at pangalawa. At I was actually, vindicated.
Vindicated? Like what? Ha? Hindi ka nga nanalo kasi ayaw na ng mga tao sa'yo. Sinusuka ka na. Vindicated for what? Ha? Na-clear siya sa ano? Grabe talaga yung mga wordings niya mga kadonatics.
Vindicated. Kayo po ba ang nag-file ng disqualification case against Joey Uy?
Yes, I did. Upon learning that he is actually a naturalized citizen.
Grabe, no? Di ba? Sobra talaga, no? Ayaw talagang tumanggap ng pagkatalo mga kadonatics. I'm so pissed off with this man mga kadonatics.
Paano niyo po na-discover yun? That back then si Joey Uy, according to at least the decision of this division, was only a naturalized citizen at the time that he was born. His parents were Chinese nationals.
Well, someone called me up that I have not talked for a long time and told me about it. So I began to really study it and investigate, actually.
And how were you able to gather the document?
I don't believe this mga kadonatics. This is pure politics. Pinulitika lang.
Documents or proof about Joey Uy's citizenship?
Well, I got a lawyer and they were the ones that actually looked for the evidence and lo and behold, talaga namang nakita na he is a naturalized citizen.
And kung Benny, konsehal na po si Joey Uy since 2022 from so there was a prior submission of requirements. Bakit hindi po nasilip dati pa na meron palang issue with respect to his citizenship?
Well, number one, wala naman akong hinagap na he is actually naturalized. No? Kasama namin siya when he ran for councilor, and I was the one, isa ako sa mga tumulong sa kanya para manalo siya. So, nakita din namin na pag local election, hindi kinakailangan na natural born. Pero pag ikaw ay running for Congress, which is actually a national position, kinakailangan na po yung natural born citizen ka.
Yes, and since this is a decision of a division, meron pa pong remedy si Joey Uy to file a motion for reconsideration with the COMELEC en banc. Are you anticipating that you might still encounter issues in terms of winning this case? Should it go to the COMELEC en banc and then eventually, potentially in the Supreme Court?
Hopefully not. The fact that
Napakawalang hiya talaga itong si Bantot, mga kadonatics. So,
na-establish naman na talagang he is naturalized. So, when it comes to disqualification, talagang he is disqualified. Now, of course, hindi ko alam ang maaaring mangyari. Hopefully that the en banc would be supporting the second division on their decision.
May binanggit po kayo noong last interview nyo dito sa At the Forefront that you will still be around. Ito po bang disqualification issue yung tinutukoy mo at that time when you said that you'll still be around?
In a way, yes. Isa rin yun sa mga tinatawag nating basis kung ba't ko nasabi yun. I still believe that the 6th District of Manila still want me to be their congressman. So I'm very thankful to my constituency, especially those that actually supported me.
Napakawalang hiya, no? Gusto pa daw ng constituents niya, mga kadonatics, sa 6th District na siya pa rin yung congressman nila. Hindi ka nga nanalo, walang kupal talaga. Kupal talaga.
Kanina po we had the Duterte Youth Chairman Ronald Cardema here at the Forefront before interviewing you po. I don't know if you heard this interview, but he said that parang pinagtutulungan yung sila, yung mga Duterte supporters. Ano po yung reaction nyo to this?
Sa akin naman the disqualification should be according to law. Hindi naman pwede maging political issue yan, no? Whether you are Duterte or not, no? It must be based upon the law of the land, no? At syempre, atin namang COMELEC commissioners know about that, no? And they make a decision on the basis of law. So naniniwala naman ako sa kanila, and that is not actually a political issue.
Are you still...
Anyway, mga kadonatics, tama na yun. What do you think? Grabe na yung nangyayari ngayon sa Pilipinas. Pag Duterte alay ka, mga kadonatics, expect na may babato at may babato talaga sila sa iyo, especially itong mga opposition. Hindi talaga nila papayagan na mananalo yung mga Duterte allies. Yung si Gwen Garcia ng Cebu, mga kadonatics, ayaw nga bumaba sa pwesto. Ayaw nga mag-concede, mga kadonatics. Walang hiya talaga. Lahat ng mga Duterte allies, pinapolitika ngayon. Ngayon sabihin mo na, law of the land? What the heck? May karma talaga ang mangyayari, mga kadonatics. God is watching. There would be a time of retribution. Thank you so much, mga kadonatics, and God bless you all the time. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care always. Bye-bye.